Hi, during this tutorial I'll be showing you the different ways that you can utilize autofill within Excel, which would make using Excel easier for you in multiple ways. We'll start here with a simple text. If we want to duplicate that text, first we highlight the cell that we would like to duplicate, and then in the bottom right corner here you'll see a little square. Click on it and pull all the way down. It will create a duplicate of the text we started with. Here, if we want to duplicate the text, but we would also like the number to increase, the same, we go to the bottom right corner and pull down. It will create a series from 1 to 10. Let's say we want to just create a duplicate of example 1. We go to the autofill options, bottom right here, and then just press on copy cells. As you can see, it turned the series into duplicates of the text and number. For this autofill is counting. So if we start with 1 and we pull down, it will go through and create duplicates. But if we go to the same bottom right corner and press on fill series, this will make it count from 1 to 10. Another way to do this is basically starting with 1 and 2. You should know that Excel determines the difference between the first cell and the second cell and tries to duplicate it. So if we go with 1, 2, 3, and as you can see to the right of my highlight, it will show you the number that will be inserted in that cell. So as you can see, since it saw that there's a difference of 1 between these two cells, it created the series on its own. The same can be done for the next one, where if we want to increase by 2 for each line, we start with 0, 2, and if we pull all the way down, it will keep increasing by 2. The same can be done for decreasing or subtracting. So here, as you can see, I started with 50, then 45, and I want it to continue this way. The same, it will determine that we want to decrease by 5 for each step or each line till we reach the end of our highlight. We can also, if we go all the way down, it will go into the negatives by subtracting -5. For the years, you can pull all the way down and it will always keep it as duplicates of the first year. You can go to the right and just press fill series and it will increase the years by 1. For days, Excel by itself will determine that if we pull down, we want to increase the days from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. It will go through the whole week. And as I said earlier, if you want to just create duplicates, you can pull all the way down and then either copy cells, or with days, there are other options that are added because it's days, where you can choose to have it just as filling weekdays, fill days, or just copy cells as duplicates. The same for days abbreviations, where instead of writing the whole word where it's Sunday, we just write sun, and if we pull down, it will autofill using the abbreviated names for each day instead of writing the whole day's name. The same can be done for months as well, where if we pull all the way down, it will add up the months from the first month, January to October. Since we have 10 cells here, we go down, we can increase it all the way to December. The same for abbreviations, where we will start with Jan, and if we pull all the way down, it will add up the months till it reaches October. If you're liking the video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep going. Another way to use autofill is by using it to increase days or calculate the last day of each month. So if we pull all the way down, as you can see, it will add up the days by 1. But if I click on the autofill options, as you can see here, it will ask you if you want to fill it by days. Let's do fill months, okay? If we press on fill months, it will go on the 30th of each month. You can also use it to increase by 7 days or any pattern you'd like. Let's say I want to make Excel autofill the start of each week, or increase a specific date by 7 days each time. So what I do is fill the first 2 dates in order to have it know the pattern that I would like. And then if I pull down, as you can see, it will increase by 7 days for each line. You can also use autofill to increase the times. So let's say I want to create my daily schedule. And if I start at 8 a.m. and then I pull on the right, it will add up an hour. And if I pull way more, as you can see, it will start going into 13 hours, 14 hours, and so on. The same can be done for dates. If we pull down, it will increase by 1, but we can change it as we would like. Let's say I want to keep it this way to fill series in order to create my daily schedule. These were some of the ways that you can utilize autofill within Excel, which will make using Excel a lot easier and more efficient for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.